In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a name from TikTok search. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to Discover tab. Then towards the top of the screen, tap at that search box and it will show you all your recent searches. If you want to delete some recent searches from that list, you can just tap at that cross icon next to that search result, and that will immediately remove it from that list. Also, if you want to clear all of the recent searches, you can tap at Clear All. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.